Hey everyone, welcome back to Quad Tech. If your Windows 10 or 11 PC has been acting up, slowing down, or just feels cluttered, a reset might be just what it needs. But what if you don't want to lose any of your important files? No worries, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to reset your Windows PC without losing a single document, photo, or file. To reset your Windows 10 or 11 PC without losing your data, follow these steps. This process keeps personal files safe while refreshing the system settings and Windows installation. Open Settings, press Win+I or go to the Start menu, then select Settings. Go to Update and Security. Select Recovery from the sidebar. Under Reset this PC, click on Get Started. Choose Keep My Files. This option will reset your settings and remove apps, but keep your personal files intact. Choose Local Reinstall, reinstalls Windows from local files. Click Next to confirm any additional settings or warnings. Review the details and then select Reset to begin. Your computer will restart and go through the reset process. Once the reset completes, log in with your account, either local or Microsoft, and go through any initial setup. Your files will still be in their original locations, though you may need to reinstall any applications. And that's it. Now you know how to reset your Windows 10 or 11 PC without losing any of your data. Your system should feel fresh, and all your files are still right where you left them. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.